Pressure transducers provide precise measurement and control of pressure in various processes. They convert pressure into an electrical signal, which can then be monitored and controlled to ensure optimal performance and safety. A key role of transducers is to maintain consistent pressure levels in pneumatic systems. The QB2X supplies pilot pressure to a volume booster. A transducer is used to compensate for pressure and mechanical hysteresis losses across the volume booster. The voltage, or milliampere feedback signal, is compared to command. QB2X opens and closes valves to control pilot pressure and volume booster output pressure until requested pressure is achieved. The pressure transducer has a sensor inside that measures pressure and turns it into a millivolt signal. The transducer's internal sensor then converts millivolt signal to voltage through the circuitry on a circuit board that's sent back to the QB2X. Proportion Air's internal circuit board converts millivolt signal to voltage, 0 to 5, 1 to 5, 0 to 10 volts DC, or current signals, 4 to 20 milliamps. These larger signals are more resistant to electrical noise and are easier to send.